Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GIM token from GIM AI Studios. Name of the token is GIM, ticker symbol is also GIM. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, as always, I put their Twitter up here in the corner of the page so you guys can easily find it. Now, this is one of their Twitters. It looks like there is 2 more Twitters involved in this project here. So this is GIM AI Studios Twitter, and you can find it at GIM AI Studios. Blue verified check mark. It says GIM AI Studios is building the next generation of AI-powered products. Now, if you look right underneath that on their Twitter, you'll see that they have 2 different links. One for another Twitter at RoastHimJim, which has 221,900 Twitter followers. Then they have another one here at Praise Him Jim, 5,693 followers. And both of them have the blue verified check mark on there. This Twitter itself has 6,073 followers. They have a contact email there. You can see contact at gimaistudios.com. But right underneath that, a full link tree. So if you click on that link tree, that's going to take you to a link tree that has the GIM token website. So that's where you're going to go to learn all about the token. Underneath that, they have a link to the GIM AI Studios official website. You can learn about that. Then for the GIM token, they have a DEX screener link, CoinMarketCap link, Uniswap, Ascendex, Twitter, a bunch of Twitters, official Telegram, Reddit, and Discord. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, how you'd buy it is you'd simply go right through, you can go right through this Uniswap link on their link tree that will take you there, or you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the GIM token using the contract address that you can find on thegimtoken.com. It's right at the top. You can copy paste it. There's a buy now button right underneath that as well. That'll take you over to Uniswap. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. I'm not sure if there is, though. I don't see. Oh, it says no tax, so you probably will not have to set slippage. Now, if you wanted to get it off a central exchange, that's what Ascendex is. So it is paired with USDT. So basically, you could download Ascendex from the Google Play or Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GIM in the spot trading zone, and then buy the token. So those are 2 different ways to get it. Now, it says here, GIM is here to take care of him. This is very much a meme token. So it says, GIM worked at a dull 9-to-5 office job as a data entry clerk, smoking pack after pack. He felt like he had no meaning. Until one fine night, he found his true passion. He broke the shackles of monotony and ventured online to become his truest form. Filled with rage, he had finally found an outlet, Twitter. Roasting people is his life now. So he just roasts people on Twitter, so that's nice. Then he has, tokenomics are on here for GIM, and he has a total supply of 420 billion tokens. Now, the token is, the GIMonomics here is split up in all different ways here. So basically it says they had a pre-sale where soft cap was 25 ETH, hard cap was 100 ETH, and that's over now, and now it's available on Ascendex and Uniswap. But the token is basically split up between Most of it going to liquidity, central exchange listings, and pre-sale. And then the rest is operational costs, advisors, team tokens which are locked, roast to burn mechanism, and an airdrop. So it says here roast to burn, and it says so far, it says 0 total gem to burn, so maybe they've been used up. It says total roasts in June 2023, so now they're probably going to move on to July here, hopefully, because July is already 3 days in. They don't have July up yet. But it says each roast tweet will burn 69 gem tokens. So that's how it works. So it says gem is for all the Jimmies. 51% of the pre-sale is sent to the Uniswap liquidity pool, locked team tokens, and LP. Now they give you a how to buy step by step on their web page from Uniswap. In case you didn't understand what I was talking about earlier, you can just go through the step by step of how to do it on their web page. Real straightforward about, you know, using your MetaMask wallet and stuff like that. Now, they have a roadmap on here. So phase 1 is launch of the Roast Him Gym bot. And you can learn all about that on Roast Him Gym's Twitter that you'll see linked on this Twitter up here. Then we have the launch of the socials. So they had a pre-sale with whitelists. And then they had the official token launch, central exchange listings, onboard advisors. Phase 2 is going to be the Gym token airdrop, launch of the 420 Club, roast to burn token burn, Gym for hire, Gym scam watch, roasty of the week plus resident, and then phase 3 is going to be add to Gym bot family, roast to earn, tier 1 central exchange listings, cross-platform with Discord, Telegram, etc., video contest on IG and TikTok, and then online and in real life competitions. So if you want to join their socials, they have a couple Twitters linked there, Discord, Telegram, contact email in case you got any questions. Real straightforward there. And if you want to review the Gym AI Studios website as well, that's linked on here. So I'm just looking at CoinMarketCap. This token's up 6.7% today, doing pretty well today. You can find them listed on CoinMarketCap, maybe CoinGecko as well. And it also says this token is available on OpenOcean, so you can get it off of there. It's paired with AAI on OpenOcean. So OpenOcean people don't use as much as Uniswap, obviously, but that's just another place to get it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Gym token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.